Ah, solid shot. Today I'm back on the farm, and this time around I didn't really plan a lot for this hunt. On arrival, I soon realized that there wasn't a lot of activity when it comes to doves and pigeons, and I was wondering, what am I going to shoot today? Walking around a little bit, I soon saw an Egyptian goose that I really wanted to shoot. So the hunt was on, and I started to walk and stalk this Egyptian goose. Woo! What a cracking shot! That's a Egyptian goose at I think it is around 51 meters if I'm not mistaken. Now that was a nice walk and stalk. As you guys can see, I'm quite far away from the camera, so I'm quickly going to go fetch the camera and bring it a bit closer. Oh yeah. Just want to make these biports a bit shorter. There we go. Well, that was one pretty shot. Right, I think it was around 51 meters. It always seems a lot further when you're out in an open like this. So yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, there's a lot of blood here. This one looks very young. Everything is full of blood. It looks like a long shot, if I'm not mistaken. Hard and long shot. I don't really want to get myself too full of blood now, but I think the replay will also show. It looks like here by the feathers. Yes, definitely. So I'm happy with that. That was a perfect shot. It's been a while since I've shot any Egyptian goose, so happy with that. There's a dove right next to me here at 50 meters. There's a ton of them sitting right in front of me. I first want to see if I can smack this one. Nice. Got it. And it didn't make too much noise, so I can still go for these ones right here. .45-ish. Ooh, smack that one as well. That's a perfect shot. Another cracking shot. Not really far. 46 meters.
That was a loud thump. Oh, beautiful. 64 meters. Oh, beautiful shot at 77 meters. I know you guys are going to probably ask the question, how far is that buildings there at the back? They are really, really far. To be honest with you, they are about 680 meters far. So the angle that I'm shooting at, the pellet will drop before it gets there, or the slug actually. So you guys don't need to stress about that. But that was one beautiful damn shot. That was nice. That was really nice. Ooh, beauty. 85. Difficult to see, but got it. .58. Smacked another one. Oh, beauty. 116 meters. Unfortunately, my camera is standing there. I had to quickly walk yet to pick up some of the doves, and like I said, unfortunately my camera is standing there. 116 meters, not too bad. Oh, 124 meters. What a freaking cracking shot. That was awesome. Really, really happy. 124 meters. Didn't think I'm gonna whack it, but I did. Damn, that was a beauty of a shot. 82 meters. Oh, got it too. Nice.
So as the sun started to set and the temperature started to drop, I decided with a couple of doves and Egyptian goose in the bag that it's time to pack up and head back home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.